Storage issues on Android can be a real headache. But don't worry, I've got some solid strategies to help you reclaim that space. First off, let's tackle the obvious. Apps. Go through your apps and delete the ones you haven't used in a while. You'd be surprised how many you can let go of. Just hold down the app icon and hit uninstall. Easy. Next, let's dive into your downloads folder. It's like a black hole for files you forgot about. Open your file manager, navigate to downloads, and delete anything you don't need. Old PDFs, images, and random files can pile up quickly. Now let's talk about photos and videos. They take up a ton of space. If you're like me, you probably have hundreds of pictures that you don't even remember taking. Use Google Photos or another cloud service to back them up. Once they're safely stored in the cloud, you can delete them from your device. Just make sure you have the backup settings turned on so nothing gets lost. Another tip is to clear your app cache. Apps store temporary files that can accumulate over time. Go to Settings, then Apps, select an app, and tap on Clear Cache. It's a quick way to free up space without losing any important data. If you're still running low, consider using an SD card. Many Android devices support expandable storage. You can move photos, videos, and even some apps to the SD card, giving you more breathing room on your internal storage. Finally, let's not forget about music and podcasts. Streaming services are a lifesaver here. Instead of downloading songs or episodes, stream them whenever you want. If you must have offline access, download only the essentials and remove them when you're done. By following these steps, you'll not only free up space, but also keep your device running smoothly. It's all about being mindful of what you keep and what you let go. So, take a little time to tidy up your storage and enjoy a more efficient Android experience.